Here's a fact. Carbon monoxide poisoning is the #1 poisoning death in the world. Hi, I'm Randy Mantooth. I'm not only a spokesperson for carbon monoxide poisoning, I'm also a survivor. When I found out about Amanda Hansen and the Amanda Hansen Foundation, and after meeting with Ken Hansen and Kim Hansen, I knew that I needed to help. And I'm asking you to do the same thing. Donate what you can to help Ken and Kim Hansen in Amanda's name. Get a CO detector, a CO alarm in every home. CO poisoning is preventable. Prevent an unnecessary death. Thank you.